Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello and welcome. My name is Hannah and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out me and my channel. So for today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a mystical mermaid Halloween look. So if you want to achieve this look, it's going to be very simple and very easy to do. So get out your makeup brushes. Let's go ahead and let's go down into this tutorial. So whenever I think of mermaids, I always think of like pinks and purples and blues and greens. So I can't really incorporate all of those colors into this specific look, but I'm going to try my hardest to incorporate as many as I possibly can. So first I'm going in with my Spoiled Cosmetics Volume 4 palette. I'm going to be taking that light lavender shadow and I'm going to be applying that to the outer part of my crease area. What I'm going to be using is this brush right here. This is just kind of like a packer crease brush. Now, I know a lot of my brushes are dirty. Tonight I'm going to be washing them, so before anybody comes at me down in the comments below, I'm very aware that my makeup brushes are dirty, but don't worry, I'm going to be cleaning them tonight, I promise. Going back into the Spoiled Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking that little mint green shade, which is right there. I'm going to be applying this to the center of my crease with this tiny little detailed crease brush. Go back into that Spoiled Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'm taking that bubblegum pink shade. I'm taking it onto this packer crease brush, and I'm going to be packing that into the inner part of my crease. Time to cut the crease, and to do that I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is my favorite thing to cut my crease with because it's such a thin consistency. It's very easy to control and to manipulate and to work with, so I really like this. This is in the shade 105 Fair Ivory. Then to do the cut crease with, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow brush right here. I like it because it's a bit rounded at the top, so it makes carving out to that lid / crease area a lot easier. So that is just what I'm going to be doing now. Into the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Visionary palette, I'm going to be taking that really pretty pearly white shade and I'm going to be applying that where we just carved out the lid area. And to apply it, I'm going to be using this flat shader brush from Amazon. Now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to be applying a little bit of mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is just the Milk Kush mascara. This is just from Milk Makeup. This is a sample size of this mascara, and it's almost dried out, which is why I'm trying to finish this off. But I'm actually going to be kind of sad when this is gone because even though it really sucks on the lower lashes, I actually really like it on the upper ones. So I might have to order this offline. Sadly, my Sephora has closed permanently because it was one of those was in a JCPenney's, and our town no longer has a JCPenney's, so because of that, we no longer have a Sephora, so I'm gonna have to start ordering all of my stuff offline, which that's okay, honestly, because I have decided that I feel safer ordering things online anyway. Part, and it's time for lashes. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using these Kiss 5D Mink lashes. These are in the style Belle, and they're just very bold, very dramatic. I thought that these would fit this eye look purposely. Now, as you probably can tell, we got a whole pastel theme going on here. I thought that I would do kind of like a twist with this eye look, since everybody is always used to seeing really bright, bold, colorful looks from mermaids. I kind of thought we would go a on the more pastel spectrum. Well, honestly, I didn't really anticipate this. My brush just kind of took over for me. So I've now decided I want to put like a twist on it, and we're going to do like a pastel-y look. So anyway, that's just what I'm going to do. Pop on the lashes. I'm going to be using my little metal eyelash applicator. And then I'm also going to be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. Alrighty, so my desk is covered in makeup and we are about to get super crazy here. I did put on one of my lashes and then my phone ran out of storage, so I had to delete some stuff. So I have my lashes on, and now I went off camera. I did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. So now we're back. We're good to go. We're going to do the lower lash line. So first I'm going to take a little bit of this LA Colors eyeliner pencil. This is just their audio pencil. This is in the shade White, and I'm just going to pop this into my waterline just to make my eyes appear more bigger. Now I'm going to be going into the Spoiled Cosmetics eyeshadow palette again, and I'm going to be taking that light lavender color, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lower lash line area with this e.l.f. concealer brush. We're going into a little bit of lower lash mascara, and I'm going back into that Milk Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. For bronzer today, I'm going to be going into my Cèate London bronzer. This is just any shade at Bamboo bronzer. And I'm just going to be applying this to my face to give my face a sun-kissed complexion, because mermaids spend a lot of time out in the sun. So they need a good, pretty sun-kissed look. Now I'm going to be going into my Tarte blush. This is just in the shade Quirky, and this is just a really pretty peachy toned blush. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Going in with my Cosmic Colors highlighting palette, I'm going to be taking that pink highlighter, and I'm going to be applying that to the apples of or the high points of my cheekbones with this e.l.f. highlighting brush. And I wanted to use a colorful highlighter today just to kind of have some fun. Part that I am most excited for, I'm going to be adding some pearls. So I'm not going to be doing this on camera because I honestly don't know where I want to add the pearls to. So I'm going to hop off my camera, I'm going to put the pearls on, and then I'll come back. But these I just picked up at Walmart in the craft section. They were only 97 cents. They have a ton of different options to choose from. They've got pearls, gems, you name it. I picked up a ton of gems. I picked up some pearls for this look right here. And I picked up some gems for another look that y'all have already either seen or you're going to see in the next couple of days. So let's go ahead and get into applying these pearls. Alrighty, a couple hours later, I finally have some pearls on my face. These things were a pain in the butt to work with, the little ones. Yeah, they don't even have like the sticky stuff on them because they're like self-adhesive, and the glue comes off of them, and I tried it for at least a half hour to glue one right here onto my eye, and it did not work. So I tried to doctor that up the best that I could. So let's move on to lips and call it a day. So for lips, I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek. This is their Plush Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade of Goody Two Shoes. I thought that this kind of looked mermaidy because it was pink. So let's go ahead and get into applying it. Alrighty, y'all, so that is the completed Mermaid Mystical Pastel look. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. I actually really like the way that the eyeshadow looked. I am a little bummed out about how my pearls kind of turned out. I wanted them to be a little bit different, but in the end, I just had to settle and do what I could do the best. So, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're down there as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also give me a follow over on social media, so that way you can keep up with me, you can keep tabs on me, and you can keep a lookout for when I post and upload new videos. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little Hannah corn.